Oh, I love that. Hello, this is your musician friend AK coming at you with the songs that you love to hear and play. Today's song is It's Good to Know Jesus. How many people know that? It's good to know Jesus. Guys, we're in the key of A flat today, and that is by Mississippi Mass Choir. This was requested by Frankie Henderson. Thank you so much, Frankie, for giving us this awesome song to work on. It's a fun song. We're going to get into it. Of course, I got to start off by showing you, yep, I'm working with my water today. Simple water, very simple. Guys, head on to your favorite refrigerator, grab out your favorite beverage, head on back to your favorite keyboard, sit down and learn with me, your favorite musician, instructor in the whole wide world, me, AK, on today. You know, many people have asked me, how can we donate to you? And I want to give you the chance right now to just hit that thanks button. The thanks button right there. Bam, I see you just hit it. That thanks button, give me a donation. Guys, I really appreciate it. All right, let's get it. We're in the key of A flat. That's A flat, B flat, C, D flat, E flat, F, G, and A flat. Of course, this is numerical melodies. We have to run through that with our numbers. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. We have the great Mississippi Mass Choir in the building. They have joined us in the big numerical cave on today. Guys, let's welcome them. Of course, we're going to do like our norm. We're going to go ahead and stretch our knuckles, right? Yep, I think we're ready. Are we ready? Great, let's get it. Mississippi Mass Choir. That was It's Good to Know Jesus by Mississippi Mass Choir. To all my numerates, let's take this time out and count our numbers. Easy song, guys. We're going to get right into it. So let me show you what we're doing. We're starting out with let's just learn that little part there. So we're opening up on the 4. We're playing a D flat major chord. We're going to our E flat major chord still on the 4, right? And then we're doing a 7-3-6 progression. On the 7, we're playing this chord. Playing a regular C major chord on the 3. And then we're going to our F minor chord on the 6. Nice gospel chord. I'm pretty sure we've heard this before, right? All right, all that is we're playing that chord right there on the 2, and then we're going to the 3. We're playing a regular A flat major chord, and then we're going right back to that first chord, and we're on the 4. And now we're on our 5. We're playing a regular A flat major chord. All right. right, just an A flat going to a E flat dominant 7 chord on the 5, and then we're ending on the 1. Regular A flat major chord. They have this nice turnaround they're doing. All right, what is that? In my right hand, I'm playing this chord. Then I'm following it with playing my 7. And then I'm just moving 2 notes. That's the middle note, and that's my left hand going to the 6. Going right back to the first chord. And then we're going right back to our 6, and we're playing a D flat major in our right hand. Ending on this A flat major chord. It's like a broken A flat major chord. All right, they have this cool walk up they're doing. I gotta give you this. It sounds complicated at first, but we gotta slow it down and see what they're doing. So we're on the 3, A flat major chord. We're going to our B flat minor chord on the 4. Going to our 5, regular A flat major chord. Look, these are very simple chords, right? We're playing a G major chord on our 6. Then we're playing our B flat minor chord on the 7. Ending on our 1, regular A flat major chord. All right, so they're starting off with, it's good to know Jesus. All right, what are we doing? We're just bouncing that 1. Boom, 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 right? We're just going between 2 chords. That's our A flat major chord and our D flat major chord. Right here, we change up and we go to our B flat minor chord, going back to our A flat major chord. So all together, it sounds like. And then we do that intro again. Then we go right back to the same thing. Here's where it changes. All right, so we're just doing a 5-1-4 progression. But to get to that 5, we're just walking down from the 6, going to the 6 flat. Now we're on our 5. And we're playing this nice G flat 7 chord in our right hand. And then we're going to the 1. We're trying to get to the 1, right? And that's how we get to the 1. We're walking down from the 2 flat. Now we're on our 1, and we're playing this A flat 13 chord. Very beautiful chord. Then we go right back to the beginning of the song. He's the Alpha and Omega, bright and morning star. So we got the first part. That's all of the first part. The next part is, all right, let's get that. So we're on the 7 flat. We're playing a regular G flat major chord, going to our 4, regular D flat major chord, going to our 1. That's just a regular A flat major chord. And guys, we do that 3 times. That's 1. This is 2. All right. Now we're going to the 3. This is our 3rd time. Now we're just going back to the 7, 3, 6 progression. All right. Let me give you that again. All right. We're playing that chord on the 7. We're playing our C major chord on the 3. Right back to the F minor chord on our 6. We start up, that's that walk up we learned earlier. All right, now we're going to the end of the song, right? That's the. It's good to know Him. It's good to know the Lord. All right, what am I doing? I'm just playing 1 to the 4. 1 to the 4, but of course we're making it a little bit more interesting. Instead of going 1 to the 4, we're going 1, 3, 4, 5. Then we're walking up 6, 7, 1. The right hand is. All right, what are we doing? We're playing a B major chord in our right hand, and then we're going to a B flat minor chord. And And then we're going to our regular A flat minor chord on the 5. So that's, we're going to slow it down. Let's go even slower. And that's the song. Guys, I hope this was able to help you out. Awesome lesson. Today's life lesson is the prophecy that never played out. I remember playing at my church years ago when a prophetess was speaking. As she neared the end of her message, she looked directly at me and said, "You will play for Whitney Houston, and 1,000-voice choir will be behind you." I was amazed. I thought to myself, wow, wouldn't that be incredible? I mean, 1,000-voice choir and Whitney Houston. But a few years later, while I was at work, someone told me that Whitney Houston had just passed away that very night. In that moment, I knew that prophecy wasn't true. I learned even if someone gives a grand vision, it doesn't mean it's part of God's plan for your life. Your purpose isn't defined by someone else's prediction, but by your personal relationship with God and your walk with Him. Awesome job, guys. Let's give ourselves a hand. Yes, thank you so much for coming in and joining me on today. And guys, by the way, Frankie Henderson, thank you so much for giving us that awesome song. I appreciate it. Please request more. And of course, this is the time of the video that I tell you that we are on the road to, yep, I heard somebody say it, 1 million. We're on the road to 1 million. Yeah. Of course, we know this cannot be done without you. You are the big factor. Please go and share this vital information with anyone you know. People that want to learn how to play and people that already know how to play. Go and meet me over at Facebook. That's me playing all of the songs that I love to hear and play. And hopefully you do as well. And request a song for me. That's viewers request, of course. Guys, Numerical Melodies, Facebook, go and check it out. And of course, we have a bell. Hit that bell because a video that is new is coming right to you. And right next to that bell is a subscribe button. And I'm not gonna lie to you, it takes 3 seconds to hit that subscribe. Let's try it. 3, 2, 1. Bam! I see you just hit it and you just hit the bell. Thank you so much. You have just made my day, my hour, my minutes, my seconds. Guys, you're not just playing the music, you are the music. This is AK signing off.